Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta, and today it is one of my favourite times of the month when I get to share with you the contents of the latest witch casket. So this is the witch casket for June. Witch Casket is from a UK company. They are a mother and daughter led small business. And each month they curate for us a box of wonderful goodies, which are really thoughtfully presented within a theme. So let's get inside this one and have a look and see what we've got. Okay. Now, there is always such a wonderful smell that comes out of these boxes when I open them. I always wish that you could be here to share in that. So, our theme for this month is sun and moon. So I assume we'll be seeing lots of things that are have got lots of duality about them, sort of opposites. Oh gosh, you can still get that lovely smell. So this is our little booklet, it tells us all about what's in the box. I'm going to put this to one side and we will look at this at the end. And we will start with our art card. Art cards are something that you get every month. This one is a very beautiful drawing, really lovely. We've got a crescent moon within a sun sitting on a cloud there, really, really lovely. The art cards have got manifestation prompts on the back, which you can use if you want to, but you don't have to. You can use these cards in lots of different ways. Obviously, you can fill out the manifestations. You can just pop them on your wall as bits of art. You could use them for journaling. You can use them as something to concentrate on when you are meditating. So that's really lovely. Right. Another regular is you always get either a ritual or a spell kit, so I'm guessing that's what this is. This is a Witch Casket exclusive day to night ritual kit for moving on and manifesting. A ritual incorporating the magical energies of the sun and the moon to help with moving on and manifesting the life you desire. So let's have a look. So in here we've got a black spell candle. I can see an incense stick, little mini incense stick. It smells very nice. We've got a little piece of parchment. I can see the oils have come out of the incense stick onto there, but that's okay. We've got our instructions. So, day to night ritual for moving on and manifesting. A ritual incorporating the magical energy of the sun and moon to help you moving on. Piece of paper, sandalwood incense stick, black candle. You will also need a pencil and a fireproof dish. So you do one part of the ritual as the sun sets, and then the next part you do in the moonlight. And again, we've got lovely artwork on the back. The symbology of these items always carries through really nicely. So we'll pop those things back into there. Oh, that incense smells lovely. Okay, now we're into a bit more of the unknown. So, ooh, a pendant. A sun and moon tarot pendant, stainless steel, inspired by the major arcana tarot cards. This magical double-sided pendant depicts the sun and the moon. Come on, come on. Oh, wow. That is really rather lovely and so shiny. You can see, I can see me. And then on the other side, come on, give me some slack. There we go. And on the other side, we have got the moon. That's lovely. So pretty. And it's on a nice stainless steel chain. It's got a little witch casket logo there. It's really nice. Love that. And you could obviously wear that whichever way round you feel is the most appropriate. Yeah, that's nice. I've got fingerprints all over it now. I have to clean that. But very nice. And of course the sun symbology, perfect for this time of year as we are coming up to the solstice, for those of us in the northern hemisphere at least. But you can still, you know, those of you that are in the southern hemisphere and are heading up to your winter solstice, you can still use sun symbology because it's all about you welcoming the sun back. So, right, we've got a piece of sunstone and a piece of moonstone. So again, as I had predicted, we're getting some duality here. So we've got our moonstone. It's got a little inclusion in it. I wonder what that is. And our sunstone. So sunstone, inspiring stone that encourages passion, confidence and independence, an amazing energizer. Sunstone can help with lethargy caused by despair or sorrow. It's also a great stone for attracting prosperity and success. And the moonstone, gentle, feminine, for inner strength, intuition and growth. A stone which calms emotions and heightens intuition. Can be an excellent aid to peaceful sleep and prophetic dreams. Very nice. Okay, I'm digging in. Ooh, this is candles. Sun and moon spell candles. Yellow for the sun and grey for the moon. These high quality spell candles allow you to invoke the energy of these powerful celestial bodies. So we've got a yellow. Come on, come out. And a grey. So we've got our sun energy and our moon energy there. Very nice indeed. A scroll. Now the scrolls are irregular. They come on a little ring, which I have a habit of wearing, but you can do what you like with them. So sun and moon water. Moon and sun water. Oh, sorry, moon and sun water. Sun and moon water. Simply put, water that has been left out under the sun or moon to be imbued with magical solar or lunar energy. If you're creating it with a particular intention in your mind, you can surround your jar with crystals which work with your desires, or draw sigils on the jar, or speak incantations, anything that sets your intention. So, really nice. Lovely. These are great for displaying. You could also copy them out into your own hand in your Book of Shadows. You might want to just cut out the relevant information and, you know, paste it into your Book of Shadows in a collage. There's lots to be done with this, and anything you can do that will make it your own will help with that. Right, let's go with this big one because it's sort of in the way of everything else. So, sun and moon water stacking jars. So we know how to make our sun and moon water, and now we've got stacking jars. Harness the lunar and solar energies by creating magical water to use in your craft. 2 beautiful receptacles for creating and storing sun and moon water. So we've got this one, which is a smoked glass for your moon water. Come out. And then this one with the sun design for your solar water, and they do stack together quite nicely. I will say it's a little bit disappointing in that we had a water collection bowl last month. So it feels a little bit unfortunate that we're getting these so close together, because they're not the same, but they feel sort of similar. But these are lovely, and I am always here for some fancy glass. Very nice. But yeah, I do feel it's important to mention that we did get a rainwater collecting glass dish last month. So moving on, we have got, let's go with these first, a sun and moon altar tray set. Ooh. It's well packaged. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, I get you. I see what you did. So they fit together. That's very sweet. I like that. What does it tell us? Beautifully designed set of trays to represent the sun and the moon on your altar. Practical yet enchanting addition to any witch's space. So yeah, those are very nice. I like that a lot. Okay, and finally, the last thing in the box I was expecting, which is why I left it till last, because they had sent out an email saying there was a bit of an error in packaging. So, we have got moon incense and sun incense. However, they've got the labelling wrong. So their email says that the jasmine and lavender incense, this one, is in fact your moon incense, which makes sense. Jasmine is night blossoming, and the cinnamon chamomile is your sun incense. So the affirmations are on the wrong packets. So we just need to switch them over really and change those, but that's fine. Mistakes sometimes happen. It is still the same really nice 100% pure essential oil incense. It's just an error in printing. Oh, that's very nice. That's really lovely. And this one, oh, let's see if I can get it open. There we go. Yeah, oh, beautifully scented, really lovely, and you get a good amount of each in here. There's loads in there. Really nice. So, and each one has got an affirmation on the back, which of course, so our sun affirmation: as I connect to the sun and his power, I draw great strength down to me. And as I connect to the moon and her calming energy, I draw powerful peace down to me. So that is everything. No pin badge this month, but we did get a lovely necklace. So I don't mind that there's no pin badge this month. That's fine. But yeah, every other month I think we've had a pin badge. So, but it's all good. I am very pleased with what we got. Let's just check through our little booklet. I don't think there's anything that we need to check really, but I will have a little look. Yeah, so it's switched here as well. So it should be that the sun incense is the cinnamon and the moon incense is the jasmine lavender. Altar tray, tarot pendant, stacking jars. I do like the lids on these as well, with them being the little shaped cork. That's really nice. The candles are soy wax. I don't know if I mentioned that. Parchment scroll, art print. There we go. Another lovely kit for this month. I'm definitely going to be wearing that necklace. You'll probably see me wearing it on Saturday. You will have seen me wear it on Saturday. This video is going out on Sunday. So yes, I'll be wearing it for the solstice. And yeah, very nice. I'm definitely going to be using these things, and that's always what I look for in a casket, is, are the things useful to me? It's not just about, you know, are they pretty or quirky or new? It's, will I find them useful? And everything here I will use, and that's kind of what's important to me. So as always, let me know down below what you like the best. Are you a pretty glass jars person or a necklace person, or are you just here for the crystals and the incense? Let me know. If you want to test this out for yourself, prices and details are down below. I'm not sponsored or affiliated with them. I just open these because I get them and I like to share them with you. So yeah, I'm going to leave this here. Have a wonderful solstice, those of you that are still celebrating. And here is to the next half of the year, when I am hoping things will get a little bit cooler, because I'm very much overheated right now. So until the next time, my lovelies, take care, look after yourself, drink plenty of water, and stay crafty.